One of the most common mistakes investors do when they are looking to calculate the cash flow is they don't take in consideration these things. They don't take in consideration the actual vacancy of the property. So you want to factor in, I would say, right around 8% vacancy from the total cash flow that you are getting, or the total revenue of the income of that property. In case unit goes vacant, you know that it's probably going to take you a month or at least a month to fill that vacancy in. And during that time, you're going to have negative or less of cash flow until you fill that vacancy. Another thing is that you don't consider is that maintenance and repair. You also want to factor in, I would say, at least 10% of your monthly cash flow to take and put it aside in case of maintenance issues, because we know things will break over time. So you want to make sure that you're calculating in that and not spending it right away in case something major happens or a small leak happens. You have the money to actually use to fix that property. The other thing is, like, let's say you are an out-of-state investor, you may want to calculate a property manager cost in there as well. Typically, it's right around 8 to 10% for property management. It all depends on where you're looking and what type of services the property manager is providing you. So this is another cost that you may want to factor in before you jump into a deal, and then you figure out later that this is actually negatively bringing you money.